Dear student, today I will discuss about a new chapter that is said to be amine. At first, I will discuss about the introduction of amine. What is amine? The alkyl or aryl derivative of ammonia is called amine. Suppose I want to think about the ammonia. This is your ammonia. Remove one hydrogen and add one alkyl group or aryl group. Then we find out RNH2. This is said to be 1 degree amine. This is said to be ammonia. Again, when I will remove one hydrogen from 1 degree amine and add one R, that is your alkyl or aryl group, then I will get R2NH. That is said to be secondary amine. And again I will remove another hydrogen and add another R, then I will get R3N, that is said to be 3 degree amine. When one hydrogen removed from ammonia and add one R with the ammonia, then 1 degree amine is formed. When again one hydrogen is removed from 1 degree amine and 1 R is added, then 2 degree amine is formed. When one hydrogen is removed from 2 degree amine and 1 R is added with the 2 degree amine, then 3 degree amine is formed. Now I will discuss about the classification of amines. Classification of amines. Depending upon the number of alkyl or aryl group attached to the nitrogen atom of amine. The amines are classified. into three types. Such are, one is your 1 degree amine, second is your 2 degree amine, third is your 3 degree amine. 1 degree amine is also called primary amine. 2 degree amine also called your secondary amine. And 3 degree amine is also called tertiary amine. Now I will discuss about the primary amine. What is primary amine? One degree amine. When one hydrogen atom in ammonia is removed by one alkyl or aryl group. When one hydrogen atom in ammonia is removed by one alkyl or aryl group, then 1 degree amine is obtained. Take example, CH3NH2. Here one alkyl group is present, so that is said to be 1 degree amine. Its name is that is methylamine. Methylamine. Suppose take another example, CH3CH2NH2. Here one alkyl group is present, so this is said to be 1 degree amine, and its name is ethylamine. Ethylamine. Suppose take another example. Here one aryl group is present, that is said to be 1 degree amine, and its name is aniline. Its name is aniline. Suppose I want to take another example. Tell me this belongs to which type of amine? That is 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine. This is also belongs to 1 degree amine, because here one alkyl group is present, so it is said to be 1 degree amine, and its name is isopropyl amine. That means from this example it is clear that when one hydrogen atom in ammonia is removed by one alkyl or aryl group, then 1 degree amine is obtained, whether you take aryl or alkyl. If you want to take the alkyl group, that means we think about methylamine, ethylamine, isopropyl amine. No doubt these are the said to be 1 degree amine, but it belongs to aliphatic amine. Aliphatic amine. That means these three examples are aliphatic primary amine. This is said to be aromatic primary amine. Amine can be also classified into two types. One is your aromatic amine, another is your aliphatic amines. Now I will discuss about the 2 degree amine. 2 degree amine, that is your secondary amine. When two hydrogen atom in ammonia is removed by two alkyl and or aryl. Alkyl and or aryl group, then 2 degree amine is obtained. Here is one point, alkyl and or aryl. There are two alkyl group or two aryl group, or you can take one alkyl group and another is your aryl group. Suppose take an example. Look at the example, CH3 bond NH bond CH3. This is said to be 2 degree amine, and its name is dimethyl amine. Its name is dimethyl amine. Here two methyl groups are present. That means we think about two alkyl groups are present. So it is said to be 2 degree amine. But suppose take another example, CH3 bond NH C6H5. Here one methyl group is present, one phenyl group is present. This is said to be alkyl group, this is said to be aryl group. It is also belongs to 2 degree amine, and its name is N-methyl aniline. Suppose take another example, C6H5 bond N bond H bond C6H5. Here one is your phenyl group, another is your phenyl group. Here this is your aromatic, this is your aromatic. This means this is your aryl group, this is also aryl group. The name of this compound is diphenylamine. Diphenylamine. From the example, it is concluded that when two hydrogen atoms in ammonia is removed by two alkyl and or aryl group, then 2 degree amine is obtained. Now I will discuss about 3 degree amine. When hydrogen atom, when 3 hydrogen atom in ammonia is removed by 3 alkyl and or aryl group, then 3D amine is obtained. Take example. Suppose CH3 bond N CH3 CH3. Here 3 alkyl groups are present. So this belongs to 3D amine. Its name is trimethylamine. Trimethylamine. Take another example. C6H5 bond N C6H5 bond C6H5. That is also said to be triphenylamine. Here 3 aryl groups are present. You can take another example. CH3 bond N C2H5 bond C3H7. This is also an 3D amine and its name is N-ethyl propanamine. These are the examples of 3D amine. From this example, we can conclude that when 3 hydrogen atom in ammonia is removed by 3 alkyl and or aryl group, then 3D amine is obtained. Think about the 2D amine. This is your said to be 2D amine. This is your said to be also 2D amine. Think about the 3D amine. This is your 3D amine. This is your also 3D amine. This is your said to be 2D amine. This is your said to be 3D amine. From the example, it is clear that in this case, not only 2 alkyl group are present, but the 2 alkyl group are same. That is your methyl. In this case, 2 alkyl group are present, but the 2 alkyl group are not same. Here 2 aryl group are present, and the 2 aryl group are same. Here 3 alkyl groups are present, and 3 alkyl group are same. Here also 3 alkyl group are present, but 3 alkyl group are not same. Here 3 aryl groups are present, and the 3 aryl group are same. From the example, it is clear that 2D amine and 3D amine, 2D amine and 3D amine can be classified into two types. Such are number 1 is your simple amine, or we can also call that is your symmetrical amine, and another is your mixed amine or unsymmetrical amine. Remember, from the example it is clear that if all the alkyl or aryl group are same, then the amine is called that is your simple amine or symmetrical amine. If any one of the alkyl or aryl group is different from another, that is said to be unsymmetrical amine, or you can also think about mixed amine. Here 2 alkyl group are present and the 2 alkyl group are same, so it is said to be simple amine. Here 2 alkyl group are present two alkyl group are different. One is a methyl, another is a ethyl. That is said to be mixed amine. Here two aryl group are present and the two aryl group are same. So it is said to be simple amine. Here three aryl groups are present and the three aryl group are same. So it is said to be simple amine. Here three alkyl group are present but the three alkyl group are different. So it is said to be mixed amine. Here three alkyl group are present and the three alkyl group are same. So it is said to be simple amine. Again I will repeat. This is said to be 2D amine and undergoes also simple amine. And also you can think about it is an aliphatic amine. This is said to be aliphatic amine and it belongs to mixed amine and it also belongs to 2D amine. This is said to be 2D amine, simple amine, aromatic amine, that is your aryl amine. This is said to be simple amine, aromatic amine, 3D amine. This is said to be aliphatic amine, 3D amine, mixed amine. This is said to be aliphatic amine, 3D amine, simple amine. Aryl amine can be classified into two types. Such are one is your nuclear amine, and the second is your aryl alkyl amine or also called side chain amine. What is nuclear amine? The amine in which the nitrogen atom of amine group is directly attached to the ring are called nuclear amine. Take example. Look at that. This is your amine. Here the nitrogen atom directly attached to the ring, aromatic ring. So it is said to be nuclear amine. This is said to be an example of nuclear amine. Take another example. This is your another amine. Here also nitrogen atom directly attached to the ring. So it is said to be nuclear amine. Another is your side chain amine. What is side chain amine? Side chain amine. The amine in which the nitrogen atom of amine group is not directly attached to the ring are called side chain amine. Take example. This is an example of side chain amine. Here the nitrogen atom not directly attached to the ring. So it is said to be side chain amine. This is all about your classification of amines. Now I will discuss about the nomenclature of amine. Nomenclature of amine. At first, I will discuss about the nomenclature of aliphatic amine. There are two systems for the nomenclature of aliphatic amine. One is your common system. Another is your IPAC system. One is your common system. Another is your IPAC system. At first, I will discuss about the common system. There are three types of amine. One is your 1-degree amine. Second is your 2-degree amine. Third is your tertiary amine. At first, I will discuss about the 1-degree amine. The common name of 1-degree amine. Common name of 1-degree amine is your alkyl amine. Alkyl amine. Take example CH3 bond NH2. This is your said to be 1-degree amine. And the name of this amine is your methyl amine. Methyl amine. Here the alkyl word is given. So this is your said to be methyl and another is your amine. This is your also amine. What is the name of this compound? CH3CH2NH2. The name of this compound is your said to be ethylamine. The name of this compound is your said to be ethylamine. You can think about this. Another example. CH3 has bond NH2, that is your said to be isopropyl amine. Think about the 2-degree amine. What is the common name of 2-degree amine? That is your said to be dialkyl amine, or you can also think about alkyl amine. This is the common name for 2-degree amine. Let me explain with the example. CH3 bond N has CH3. Here two alkyl group are same. Remember, if two alkyl group are same, generally we take this, that is your dialkyl amine. If the two alkyl group are different, generally you take alkyl amines. And the alkyls are arranged according to their increasing size. These two alkyl group are arranged. Suppose think about an example. CH3N bond C2H5, here bond H. Here the size of methyl group is less than the size of ethyl group. So we can write the name first methyl, then ethyl. According to common system, the alkyl group are arranged according to their increasing size. So we can write here methyl, ethyl amine. Here the two alkyl group are different. So we can think about the alkyl amine. Suppose take this example. What is the name of this compound? The name of this compound is dimethyl amine. You can take another example of 2-degree amine. Now I will discuss about the 3-degree amine. The common name of 3-degree amine is your what? Trialkyl amine. If the all alkyl groups are same, then you can use trialkyl amine. If the all alkyl group are not same, then we can use alkyl amine. If two alkyl group are same and the third is not same, then you can use dialkyl amine, or you can also use dialkyl amine. Take example. Suppose CH3 bond N CH3. The name of this compound is said to be trimethyl amine. Here the three alkyl group are same. Take another example in which all the alkyl group are different. This is your an example. Here all alkyl group are different, so we can write the name. Here methyl group is present, ethyl group is present, next propyl. The size of methyl group is less than ethyl than propyl, so we can write methyl, ethyl, propyl, amine. Methyl, ethyl, propyl, amine. You can take another example of 3D-amine. Also, this is the common system. Next, I will explain about the IPAC system for aliphatic amine. IPAC system for aliphatic amine. First, I will discuss about the 1D amine. The IPAC name of 1D amine is your alkanamine. Alkanamine. Take example Ca3 bond NH2. The name of this compound is said to be methanamine. Here the alk word is removed by meth word because there are one carbon atom is present. Take another example Ca3 CH2 NH2. The name of this compound is said to be ethanamine. Here two carbon atom present, so eth word is used. Similarly, you can think about the another example of 1D amine. Next, I will think about the 2D amine. The IPAC name of 2D amine is your N-alkyl. Here N means nitrogen. N-alkyl alkanamine. N-alkyl alkanamine. Take example CH3 bond N, CH3 bond H. Here the two alkyl group are same. So the name of this compound is said to be N-methyl methanamine. N-methyl methanamine. Suppose take another example. C2H5 bond N, bond CH3. Here the ethyl group is greater than methyl group. The alkyl group which is having more carbon atom goes to this alk, and the alkyl group which is having less carbon atom goes to this alk. The name of this compound is said to be N-methyl ethanamine. N-methyl ethanamine. Clear? Next is your 3D amine. The IPAC name of 3D amine is your N-alkyl alkanamine. N-alkyl alkanamine. And another is also N, dialkyl alkanamine. Take example CH3 bond N, CH3 bond CH3. The IPAC name of this compound is said to be NN dimethyl methanamine. Similarly, take another example CH3 bond N, C2H5 bond CH3. The name of this compound is said to be N dimethyl ethanamine. N dimethyl ethanamine. Take another example. Suppose CH3 bond N, C2H5 bond C3H7. This alkyl group carry more carbon atoms, so it goes to the alkanamine. The name of this compound is said to be N-methyl propanamine. The name of this compound is N-methyl propanamine. Like that, you can take another example of 3D amine. Next, I will discuss about the nomenclature of aromatic amine. Nomenclature of aromatic amine. The name of this compound is said to be aniline. also called aminobenzene. The name of this compound is also benzene amine. E is omitted, and it have also another name, that is your phenylamine. Phenylamine. Take another example. The name of this compound is said to be orthotoluidine. The name of this compound is said to be N-methyl aniline. Take another example. The name of this compound is said to be N-dimethyl aniline. Take another examples. The name of this compound is said to be diphenylamine. The name of this compound is said to be triphenylamine. The name of this compound is said to be benzylamine. These are the examples of aromatic amine. You can also take the name of this compound CH2, NH2. This is your said to be beta position. The name of this compound is said to be beta phenyl ethylamine, and it has also another name, that is your 2-phenyl ethanamine. These are the examples of aromatic compounds and its name. Let me explain about the isomerism of amine. Generally, amine shows four types of structural isomerism. One is your chain isomerism. Number two is your positional isomerism, that is your position isomerism. Next is your said to be metamerism, and next is your said to be functional isomerism. At first, I will discuss about the chain isomerism. Suppose take an example CH2 NH2. The name of this compound is said to be propylamine. Suppose take another example CH3 your H, and this is your said to, and this is your bond NH2. The name of this compound is said to be isopropylamine. Chain isomerism means that depending in the structure of chain, carbon chain. Here the long chain is this, but here the long chain is this, and NH2 will be attached at the two position. The name of this compound is propylamine, and the name of this compound is isopropylamine. They are having same formula, but depending in the structure of carbon chains. So these are said to be chain isomerism to each other. Next, I will discuss about the positional isomerism, that is your position isomerism. Position isomerism CH3 CH2 NH2. The name of this compound is said to be butylamine, or you can also think about that is your N-butylamine. N means that is your normal. Take an example CH3 bond NH2 bond CH2 CH3. The name of this compound is your secondary butylamine. Secondary butylamine. Both are two compounds having same formula, but NH2 will be attached at one carbon atom, but here NH2 attached to the two carbon atoms. Here the position of NH2 are different, so it is said to be an positional isomerism. Next I will take another example. The name of this compound is said to be orthotoluidine. Orthotoluidine. Take another example. NH2. Here CH3 is given. The name of this compound is said to be metatoluidine. Take another example. Suppose I want to take here bond CH3. The name of this compound is said to be paratoluidine. Both the three compounds having same formula, but the position of NH2 is different here. Here ortho to the CH3 or CH3 ortho to the NH2. Here both the NH2 and CH3 are matter to each other. Here the position of NH2 and CH3 are para to each other. That means they are different in the position. The position of NH2 is changed from one molecule to another molecule. So these are said to be position isomerism to each other. Next I will discuss about the metamerism. Metamerism means they are different in the environment about in a particular functional group. Suppose take example C2H5 bond N, C2H5 bond H. The name of this compound is said to be diethylamine. Suppose take another example CH3N, that is your C3H7 bond H. The name of this compound is said to be methyl propyl amine. Next take another example, that is your CH3 bond N H CH CH3. This is your CH3. One is your isopropyl, another is your methyl group. The name of this compound is said to be methyl isopropyl amine. Both the three compounds having same formula, but they are different in the environment about in a particular functional group. Look at that here. One is your ethyl group, another is your also ethyl group. But here one is methyl group, another is your propyl group. Here methyl group, another is your isopropyl group. They are different in their environment about in a particular functional group, that is your amine. Take another example. Suppose C6H5 bond N, C2H5 bond H. The name of this compound is N-ethyl aniline. Take another example C6H5 CH2 bond N H, that is your CH3. The name of this compound is said to be N-methyl benzylamine. They are having same formula but different in their environment about in a particular functional group. So they are called metamerism to each other. Now I will discuss about the functional isomerism. Functional isomerism means they are different in their functional group. Suppose take example C6H5 CH2 NH2. Here 1 degree amine is present. We can write the another example. This is your 2 degree amine. This is your 2 degree amine. This is your said to be 1 degree amine. The name of this compound is said to be benzylamine. The name of this compound is said to be N-methyl aniline. Both the two compounds having same formula. but your 1-degree amine is present, but your 2-degree amine is present, so they are considered as the functional isomerism to each other. Functional isomerism to each other. Take another example, CH3, CH2, NH2. This is your 1-degree amine. The name of this compound is also said to be ethylamine. Suppose take another example, CH3, NH bond CH3, that is your 2-degree amine, and the name of this compound is also said to be dimethylamine. Dimethylamine. Both the two compounds having same formula, but your 1-degree amine is present, but your 2-degree amine is present. So the two compounds are called functional isomerism to each other. That is all about your isomerism of amine.